leader for UPP. Is it the union government? But in fact, interesting. I think I started by Nhyira. Very interesting. Last time I'll buy Omami Bako. And I'm a shame when we say this. You are different. Ebeboa. Odike, good morning.
Morning, Nhyira.
Bibi aboko de.
Nyamiado. You won't come with the better Yankoponsi.
Is it union government? No, Edru saying. A man for sumu papa. Because Galamsey a tone try and say you should be saying partisanship. MPP bar no more be two. Okay. No more the patapa. Essentially quiet. Your mama bar no be two. No the patapa. No more essentially quiet. O man ebo. Galamsey quiet bo Ghana. And story now cannot pay any can. Says a young show no. Na more run Galamsey economy. We are what the catcher say CD I had again a strength. Wabra you try a catcher man area. Yet Galamsey ska and almost good in the almost taught the free small scale. And you read that in Kuntumpo Massa Gold Board Nankasana. It legitimizes Galamsey. Of course. Now, IMF reporter in states. Oh, IMF for say so monitor in and out. The environment IMF and she say on. What Jabusia? I can be fast with Tria and IMF for it. And IMF for money did the question. Say yes, say you so near quiet. Near the gold to Sabre Umu and next to nothing. A time is coming here. IMF Liberian Marco Pensio. Asadia a bella bregana. We won't say. I don't know. I'm say enya djuma. Na wadena djuma be se wunsu. Na that work and minamakra. Ensu 40 containers eyi free. Amanfo for so egum kran asase so no. Enya asem ketwa. Ni nyina Galamsey. Ya kranso. And the bottle water here in Kume. It's not enough. Amanfo the be free baby ba. But you see no dey. Omo chese improvement to abakakra. Enya no credit. Na mo so no. They are as worse as task force society. Now must have a region will be two Galamsey was shank the region. Have better no. They are limited. Some can say, and Koyajuma, and it's happening so bad in Yati. Tell me so about Koy Yati or Ghana. So now no mucha pray by Yano Creda. And last week, I'm a sister station back. TV 3 precise. And Cobra River now must fall through Arumasako. Ama security agencies want to say now must not permanently there. It won't work. Uncle Brasso of Fame and Cobra they were earmarked for hydro electricity generation of power. What you say? Yeah. Now Mupe Gold and I am a party. Eddie Abo Egumo. Almost over the year, my knee. Oh, Master, the Bank of Ghana monetary policy, a governor, or say a Buaka matches. And what it's not about what we are going to end. And having 10 billion actually 10 billion revamp the economy. 10 billion, my fault. As I say, I was 10 billion. Eddie Pew, Minya, Mr. Black. Minya, as a result of Galamsey, Kofi Bechi, when your kidney problem. Galamsey. Yes, and ye be yo. At the MPP near this year, Ghana, Ghana for years, Sabi, a 4 today, and that's didn't go for it. Environment in a Japan at all. But 1 year, they are buying a way a month when you are, as far as Galamsey is concerned. I am West, say alternation of Galamseyers, where Egophobia, Umuka. Near Copper MPP for no maba. Be piano as Sao Galamsey. 81 year, you should John Mahama, Nememua. Man for Tautis, a Kui economy SMP credit rating, say no ma a ye, na true normal way in a Sika, a debum. I never friend economy. Economy, Sika, some improve to some. Maybe. So we try to catch Maria Warrenham. So we try to catch them or tank. Now I will say Chiwa. And I'm when Yari. So I will say environment, Yadachi, 70 pace can Yes, abeni
na union government then na mo be am the stop.
Yeah, we don't support surface mining. Kwame Nkrumah ideology na ni ejirem. Or say ye ko underground. Na gold one and kese power.
Underground.
Yes, the yesu swaro na Ashanti gold fish na underground. Takwa baby ni no ko underground. Na so no e wo ha ye de boy ho bra. Yen ka se nyantu gold no. Ba ye ntimi mfa sa ekwamboni wo so ense ye nsuo ni ekwaye na ye da chiema abaye mobo na kwa effective
na sa aban no abomoden ama emra ema kwan mo ko forest reserve ene sa yinu nyina no ase wo mo akọ parliamentary repeal sa de ade ntize na ase wo mo ye steps sa
enya no krada procrastination ma me chewa de bi farmlands say no enya forest but we are losing our farmland enya forest edukwa forest nko anwumra ade anwaye we are losing our rivers and farmlands. What has forest got to do with your farmlands in the USA?
You see a forest, climate change near the sea destroy a forest. And the Maya sits in a body union, a fortress, a higher near it. You might me preserve no see move be near near some run and Maquamu Remna. I didn't say rice. I'm not quite that's unnatural.
Your 704 article 704. Bibi check memory. Ya no na ese mayemura kwayem enkoye mining what you say ana kufo no be ya ela kwan mayemura forest it is ye pepa de anya ekufo de no se yifri ho
so may yifri
me ba me senya no ene because 704 no a bandit mining in forest prohibited but what you say ana ela na say so concession e komai ni mu kakra utimi ye ye no mo ko ho kwa no but original one is 704 no a prohibit mining in our forest
and you den article saying
704 mining law
okay me hwechiri
me ba cho what you say eti do mo ya no MPP pato na NDC aprato no man say ana say asofo mo nsore na galamsey na ya kan wasem no ebia no say wo se ba bi fo nsuo o mo nom ba bi nsuo no free
wasa east
wo makotakre ho enfu bebre dia ho agim enfu na hihye kire ana galamsey na ekoso wo mo ne aban mo pedi yes wo mo bo man na bro pa
na woni mbinum a watete wo bi kakra
me nkobo bi adi wo ankyero o yo hene
ba say we yitimi name and
we yo hene say wo bi se wasase
so si DC amaba mpanimfo ni biso ka
o teko ko so kra ka wo se obi kan tam dia no adumanhia ba galamsey fo bo wasase so dia no ayedin exercise
na mpanimfo na so ni mo no ebi ne hefo
mpanimfo so say
wo se ahemfo no ni mpanimfo ni
ai wo bia ya galamsey wona asase so dia wo ya we o kan ho bi we part of the perpetrators
oh okay
Salam person kire if you allow say kwaya wona nanom ekon edu omumoja agisi ho ye ni ara ya asasini e ya bode man moja ye nanam hwie gudigi o mawe no udo ba sister na obepe uma ye bi mto aso dada na ho no be say no I mean what is this
2 years galamsey semi free ho no 1 year no hu ne say
1 year masa
under Mahama
mami muso asemba ko ede na asesa too much e wo mawe
tisi dollar rate no o hwe your friend say fuel so and dem ko gina na say fuel wo de buy de na to na fail
fuel na world market price na swati
by exchange rate so
me banya abotre ye di price build up no na me be kan wansem no and the dollar fuel $65 per barrel and dollar na swati no and the CDC ni krom obi a woto ade bia be ka cho say okodwon wote sa what it means is say abano CDC also pump it into the system contracted sika over 90 billion aloko
o ba so otua contracted sika nansi
otua ma wan
what pay contractors
no baba kudi
and the evidence is the government paid a contractor
what is evidence to you enya no correct or now so 11 times capable bakra mai I am telling you
what do you
yes
I will also your contract ni bi
me bi yes my
o ye no we
bekum
e kwan ben ya ana
mem abrakasuru
wona na wo ye
ma ya wi aka nam so min sika men sanka
wagu kota nyina
min sanka min sika
it will be fresh some farm document in
ya ye ni nyina awie o be ba next kana koduru controller and also what the embargo ato so ba be ye auditing why ye awie am ye twem wo nya wona so say out of 90 billion our bus system no only 1 billion no now so the be ba be see na mai.
But also government settled over 10 billion.
And you be a mutual back doma, pick and choose. But regular payment, and once I'm American.
Maybe I will call on Zabek audio.
Is Canaba a ready and automatic? Oh, 1 year for a core council.
This is what catch you my crab, and you may fool, which me a follow up. Why a follow up? I will
call myself by a year to force and release this come by. Control like your catch on. And now I never tell you, baby, I will nip out shell, but young will get the pay. Ye pay transform the economy. Second chrome, a by statutory payments on yet, it's a man or starve Ghanaians with the cities. And look at scan cities in you are, how do you buy dollar?
But I said the okay, said,
but so when cities are about $1. Yeah, you see the $1. It's a city in war. The dollar will be available because we'll be an overbeto. I did you see entire neighbor phone. You entire neighbor phone. You entire neighbor phone.
Meaning, say, Begum be brand and the higher the supply, the lower the price.
Demand and
supply no cost. I didn't boo Jemu. I didn't make a man obey
dollar now.
$80 no more be a begum.
Some for remittances. We could only go discover. $80 ne ba me no ka se koko umoma do koko krincho muka ya ji koko no enso mu nyeska because dollar cedi ni strong no affect koko pricing in dollar terms what you say jaba kwaje dollar no de ba so de betua koko ka aban fi say it's not worth it so this can be more because cedi dollar no je no or the bad cities no de kotua koko ka a problem koko kwafo ni so. He's not making payments.
Today, upon a buying we who are because near my okay, the ABA, but Adibio Babona Basupa.
Oh, about the governance behavior, okay. Say, Gigi, the mama, and an arrogance of power in your and Uko ministries in which are a Bemon Penufua. They are very welcoming.
Oh, okay.
And they may not die. Akufado. Well, minister, your friends, I think minister Koto. Now me due process, me the investors aba. I due diligence. After I copy due diligence. Oh yeah, oh the kata koma buying. No man muaye. Now the court no man muaye. You are near invite obra. I do be churching. Ni you said your person watch. Ya kwa after the do be na pem. Now the letters upon letters echo. Michelle Koto airport. I can't say Odike. Now I talk from so many letters. Who say me your girlfriend Anna? Can you imagine a whole minister would take a drama who minister a Greek ministry? Afraid I could trust me share me airport or kind of wow. A California to minister or my woman ye.
But I say I could do born home.
Planting for food and job in the Kusi. And then you have look at the backyard. Now for cereals and vegetables. These were two make a cropper. Ye market sika esa dedicate sa project no to mitigate its imports. Adiabe no be and now kwa ka kwa na so no ye MPO kwa je na ye no me be ye anwaga inside ya kwa je na ye
no say agric ni ko yesisi
ye import imported from Niger ne Mali tomatoes ye ko Burkina na kofa it is car planting for food no mandate no and me anya aduma ayeka of course omu ba dede saa ubekom no na niamante saa and yura mama susuma am to so a single praise say we turning the economy we turning the economy corner because
you see more than expected a star boy for IMF near day because almost here so kwanya for so 1 year etimi ehuri na from C etimi aba B plus
ababia no betra so IMF onye gini so because o ma usika eti o pedisika age wo twu ho na IMF ekura mene aba na okoe na mamu onye wo sa pepepe de opa check it free time I call IMF masa busa wo say IMF no mo che edan ba ko pe one monumental project and I say capital investment I dey IMF sky o Ghana wo mo che ba ko pe omni abam pedifo na eka na monye mo economy sika ba na ye nwanwa na e ka be da ona ye dey for $1 to for 1 cedi 2 fuel so for increase electricity and electricity at 15% na eka ho yetimi tua enso ya eka ho asemi 4%
ba se normal so
it's $1 me ba se $1 e ko form
mo so atikakra other things no so atikakra na say wo de sa balance ne de checks and balance e bitimi atetete
nyama da bi na so man run no factory na say 15% electricity increment no adman refactory now emo asem ye dia because we adman ya na we adman nya mfaso na akotomo
they say we say we koto fu asi na wanya mfaso kakra wo sui wo light bill ba na bia save fu be 4000 wo mu na 15% kakra be kan ho at least e betimi ate wo na free wo sa man for ye checks and
sa no mo ye so mo say one city na de koto one liter so se ni wa ke ho ben high more and I represent no that so secondly fuel now can want them so what man ko ya fuel bo be o de papa bi wo say so we need can Coca-Cola crab boarding Uniska Coca-Cola crab boarding it's not about the availability alone it is about the pocket how can you yet so crab na Uniska you cannot and simply cannot purchase et say eswa de for achechede ontobi
right
enyema enko yesa sika no manu the domestic currency is not circulating obi asoma make obi o dum bi anim obi a we business bi anim and people are murmuring say sika ni krum
na me contractors there okay na me hwe bibi kakra wa ha as of 31st December 2025 road contractors no omo kabo mu eda mahama se watua arrears kura na ban dada ne de omo ka ene da hoyi
na so metie wo contractor bia o su mama omo chama opa fe no I listen to me hypocrisy of Ghanaians aban bia ba ekufuado o rolling out free education aman for them to manage say for man ya ni yere mfiade ntem sa ye mu bi de yere mfiade ntem sa ekoma ekwado do se ne ye ekwa enfutro me pa enfutro a agi kumase aboso emu de do se na ekoso
abade wo hwa asisi a mopa hoyi ni ade omo ye so
mopa hene
mopa lu bisunwane eko ayi hoyi baby o maye mopa lu omo ye
aya patrat no mo ye
ahojo ahojo ayi omo ye clearance ahojo hene runabout runabout to Santase runabout omo start omo
masa
na your friends say be kwa runabout dey banso omo shase a they are working on it
miss what for runabout
say no it's ongoing
what for Santase main road no
ni is ongoing
masa enya no kore
but do you think say the 1 year betimi awie sa akwan ni nyina
so won't me for 1 year wia you don't tout this achievement until they are completed many people anya endwani TV so ne mayade asemo we want it to impact on our life ye impartation
into ni impartations you say
I'm not for from run about come me just for 2 hours now baby I would wo chebia no economically no affect you ya no mo ka trotro na trotro na wo mo bo wa look obi be tu trotro free a common pontene do you know how many hours be taking okwem no I do 10 cities no the nipa 12 nipa 12 penetrem as a 15 a burden when you scapra bia kotua ne school fees e tech hostel boy saying
there's almost be control hostels no housing minister
masa you need price control mechanism bia regime
said those within the universities near the no dey
control dey
o betimi no makasa na o my regulations
na is control ben o aban na kasa oba public service charges emu dey no ate so aban no so okoye bibi wona so ya sika o charge emu dey no ate so tell me now what be control citizens I don't know what hostel line Don't find money per free. You should not buses will come.
But some team near driver for Casemir to Sufi.
I didn't know about it. Public transport. I will say in Kuya Boka. Would be packet bus 600. Lack of maintenance. More than 2,000 per bus. Now, he can't say who you mobile. What about responsibility? Daily commuting. 2,000
per bus. No, the previous revelation about from the previous.
MPP ban no beton ton.
Yeah, 2,000.
Oh, listen. NDC.
Recent.
Master, you know, correct. And you don't follow Ghana politics.
But the 2,000 you mentioned.
Listen to me.
The indictment on the previous government.
Listen and listen good. The mama first time, want to buses. Shame. To be begun.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Yes, I don't mean they come and ocean the scraps. Run it down to give it to give it a bad name. No matter for
baby.
Master, the best approach is Ghana for Beji Union government, all inclusive government. Yanfa party na ye nyina ne kabum tika peba ko bia ni di akiri. En hihye bia obi adwene ka ho. Anya de o man ye nyamo o man ne manipa ba ko ato aba ma no. Ama ne nya de o pe wi anya sa akosu. It's wrong. I was saying na ni di bibia ko so bia obi ahunu bia.
Enti one be ka union government you.
Ghana fo nyina dia.
Oh sir. Na one dey animu.
Akwasi ade Odike.
Wonderful.
Yes, my brainchild and my carvo sir democratic system way. They said we be try Greek ni be try baby a or yeah multi-party democracy a mo agya so ma montiase a mo practice no. We nyanka samsome dia me nya so say bibi mamu akrobia yibida. So no I carvo a system a eye ebeyi the wo ya CMP a eh fro no de fofraba. That has been the bane anti yentimi and society China and so ayi the me person about Ghana 50 years ago China who say communism no mo dey aduma na mo wo mu esesa wo nsa and China be superpower and saka de eno kwani ade agina woda the only thing that is permanent in this world is change.
They say yeah how we aduma
change na ma aduma bi ama because dollar e ba afui wo kan ho asemi. We are not taking the advantage there. It be industrialized Ghana.
They say Krabesian Boaba FM policy rate in 15.5.
It's still on the higher side.
To say businessman, you say we enjoy.
About 15.5 no. The base rate, banks in the 7% can one. About 22.5%.
But first name I'm 35.
When we are talking about the global contest, Ghana, your man who baby, baby, who continue say a 3% lending rate. Yakeka bibia bom no 3%.
Developed countries.
Cote d'Ivoire no kwa from a single digit.
Okay.
Now that's what 25%, 22%. It's still on the higher side.
See a bank kraka.
Jabana ye bi enka so onye we. But enya say baby aye go ni ye.
Okay.
No, we need to do more. Policy rate dey bi am ko do so ameka. Say they want to na say obi ye production Cote d'Ivoire nya dia the same market now we are 22% nan there 8% and one and there for global competition
the 8
no we are still behind time.
Okay
nya man ko say dey o say ko
right
me da be me ho toto ya nya ya bibi mamu a
e dey na union government wo Ghana finally
yeah no mama and then before you one man che o mukra
ka enu wi union dey na mo Ghana
dey wo Ghana ne say enhihye na edibu man na ya entrench na ya jata eni asa ya kontokwa no colonial masters na the bre sebe ya ebe continuation of colonization it is a ancestral no ni amfa de democracy no a template we be atilane to suit the traditions, the culture and the mindset of the people and their way of life. It is a conformable need to say, yeah, no Hanabe is a lie. It didn't free 1992, and your Majapadia near Wona Yelusu. Now, your Lusu bedroom environment near Oganes, a court, near Blast Line, a court, near Kakoba, near Friend Firestone, near 600 factories, near free and sa, a breast touches and she will. A Japadia Nagana Wina, a free and sa, and that environment so young soon acquire, a South free and sa, a child said. The bonia dead they'll say no. or the Bible destroy no nya kwan asa colonize on e bedrum bia be kwa patch o say omumre nsuo no e da na wo be hu say bruni oni adwempa magana fo enti multi-party democracy is our problem.
Okay, think our union.
Yen for ne fa obi amram or inclusive governance.
Mu the NDC for be ba.
Ghana for
one party.
Ghana for na party. China.
I see.
Ghana for nyina dia. Obi aka ho. Na for obi ade na adwena ba. Ye wo brain pool a obi ade ni nim dia ko. Na national development national planning development for o ma so yi the best out of it no me dey to best practices so ni a share ye dey policy framework for bia 20 years aban bia o ba no na de be adwuma ye we budget for it ye nko budget a deficit in this manina bibia ye continuation we ba no beto so kwa do uja to on na ninu abeto so
but is it the economic messiah leading all the service for the MPP Saturday o lead Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia we have 5 candidates no say any surprising there sa MPP for penwa umunsa beka but I think say the party no emu mentime wase o party no me ko amadwen dia komumfa ma yewuradu twum yewuradu twum owo kofo suban ene nadiyem santiniba na fe ne yakọ presi yakọ baabi na obi abebu yakwase akọ na wanwan party ni si party ni si ade aba fia na yekom afọ no mo boto twen saa no mu ehuru champion ene nipa be hu se na champion the right thing a champion mamu ni guo certificate Ashanti region ade aba fia na ye ne aye botugu ye wi ani esu sa aba na be sisi me kai pa se na kufu ado no mo pre no Ashanti fo nya agi twi kota da chi ekowia ado mo discard their own ekowia se no obeka chem so wan so mo nsa mo nto abama no o kan chere himfo
bra kwabre fo so mo kwanye
okay
ko trunk e be trunk kuma e ka samia ya wo ye kire a vote for Baumia is a continuation of a Kufuado o mo shena chi den
ono aya disoni ne
government say for the face of the public enya no kure it's not true a Kufuado na sponsor no eti me na make a kire wo me say the best candidate Educhum.
Okra 2% from the survey.
Oh, say you come at Omadi to atwene. Omadi to atwene. As we koko last me to message.
Okay.
Sani subati.
Right.
Yempaya de. Ye koko last minute to message be su say akwan ba na ene wari for na edi ye ene ni krom sa na ye beka because ye de ba na ye to twene. Eno na ma sentiment mi emfa ntum e pamfra these days. It will be otia no we na say ye konye ye osema me ko tran kran because ye only wo te ha ye bua tanta de bi de wo bia de be bua sentiment no our people doesn't like their own me dwene wa mentiase abusuafo mo sesa musuban na azia ofia oye
okay
said yewra atames emam ofutuo no se mo se mo ntie na mo the unregulated emotions ebekomu a ye nyatia ya bonte na airport na utenkan now here and development disparities in Ashanti region one it is very huge as you saw can for my holidays
right
Garden City and I am Futuro City
I am Futuro City
baby abefabia ko
Kumasi
I am telling you and I'm about me reho papa in Futuro nko na yes second capital the same am Akrabeka was we must visit Kumasi because it is the second capital. Yam na me nkwa na make on. It is public knowledge. Obi anim. Na okoka na asene kan edin but yebeka said ye tie no yebeka ne sa. Onyame hira santeman.
Ami.
Otekoko so no mpanifo nyame nka mo politicians ntu eja. Na omumwa ema asanteman fa ntoma pamfra.
Right.
That the ekro no Gab no ye kese dodo.
Okay.
Gab no ye kese dodo.
Ti include Kumasi.
Yam breje Gab no anu odin.
Okay.
Ye besre.
That's say. Era Akwesi Ade Odike, founder and leader Union Government. And then the Chichenko Mono.